Hey, it's your girl, Sylvia Curatini here, bringing you yet another amazing video. If you're new around here, I post about work from home leads where you're able to get a remote position and be able to start generating income from home. And I also post about having your own online business, having multiple streams of income, and basically anything and everything to do with making money online and the wealth niche. Today I'm going to be discussing a home-based position by a company that most people know. It is Target. Target is currently hiring for senior specialist for the red card guest contact. This position is $18 per hour and it is fully remote work from home. All right, let's get into the video. Alright, awesome. So here we have it, whereas Target is hiring for your home-based senior specialist red card guest contact. This is a full-time position, and if you apply today, the hourly rate is $18 per hour. And I do want to mention that this role is a work-from-home position that requires the residency and maintaining residency in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Texas, South Dakota, or Arizona if you are offered this role. So you need to be within one of these United States to be considered. Now, for this, working at Target means the opportunity to help all families discover the joy of everyday life. Caring for our communities is woven into who we are, and we invest in the places we collectively live, work, and play. So they prioritize relationships, fuel, and develop talent by creating growth opportunities, and succeed as a Target team. So at the core, their purpose is ingrained in who they are, what they value, and how they work. It's how they care, grow, and win together. All right, awesome. We're just going to scroll down here a little bit because this right here talks about specifically about this work from home position. So as a home-based senior specialist in the red card guest contact, you will assist with Target Mastercard, Target Debit Card, and Target Card needs through incoming calls. You will appropriately establish relationships with guests by making strong connections and adding value to each guest experience in order to drive guest loyalty and increase sales. You will be expected to go beyond that guest initial question or concern and promote credit and retail products and initiatives. So you will be responsible for the following primary duties, which is supporting general account maintenance for Target Mastercard, Target Debit Card, and Target Card products. You will be providing the support for authorization calls from both the guest and Target store team members to assist with processing transactions. You will effectively be handling escalated calls to address and resolve guest issues and concerns. You'll be attempting to retain accounts by appropriately educating guests on the red card benefits in response to the account closure request, understanding and adhering to established policies and procedures to support compliance with applicable regulations, and meeting the department's performance expectations and goals related to the overall performance. Your core responsibilities are described within the job description, so your job duties may change at any time due to the business needs. So for the start date for this position, it will be September 19 of 2022. Your day one schedule will be from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and this is in Mountain Time, so you Mountain Time or Central Time, so you do have to take that into consideration, because for Central it will be 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. and then your training post day one will be from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Mountain Time or 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Central Time. Your training duration is 8 weeks long. The hours per week are 40 for the first 8 weeks, and then it will be 32 to 40 hours post-training. So this is all based on the business needs. Your schedule post-training. Schedules are available that fall within the hours below, but more information will be provided during the recruitment process. So you have a March to November schedule, which is daylight saving time, which will be 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Then you have the November to March schedule, which will be from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Mountain or 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central. Weekend requirement, which is every other weekend rotation beginning of 11/19 with a variable day off on working weekends. So you do also have to take that in consideration as well. So schedules may change due to the business needs, and candidates are expected to have that availability to work, as needed for those hours and days. So about you to be considered for this role, you need to reside in one of the following states and time zones, which is Arizona, Minnesota, South Dakota, Texas, and Wisconsin. You need to be able to have your high school diploma or GED. You need to have the availability to work a flexible schedule, including nights, weekends, and holidays. 1+ year of previous guest experience or customer service experience. The ability to interact with the guests, team members, internal business partners with a professional, friendly, empathetic style and de-escalate as needed. You need to have excellent verbal and written communication skills, including listening, negotiating, and decision-making skills. Experience dealing with escalated guest complaints is definitely preferred, but doesn't, knock you from getting the chance to have this work from home position. You need to have the ability to use various information sources to answer questions, identify problems, and appropriately resolve guest issues. You need to possess strong technical skills, ability to work with multiple systems, and high proficiency with PC or Microsoft applications. Be able to access to a home workspace that is clear of noise, distractions to be able to perform the role. Have a hardwired internet in your home location. Meet the requirement bandwidth requirements, for your download and upload speeds with your internet. Ability to engage via a Target issue web camera for required meetings, trainings, and or interactions. You need to have the ability to safely lift and carry up to 25 pounds for the equipment. Now, they do have additional home-based requirements, which is from time to time and upon request, you may be required to complete an internet speed test and email a picture of the speed test result to your leader or supervisor. You will be required to deactivate wireless capability when using Target equipment during your work hours. You will be required to save emergency and work telephone numbers, not including the online resources and other required notices, in a spot for your home workspace. If there is a lengthy disruption to the power or internet service, you will be required to follow a specific Target process, which may include taking unpaid time off if applicable. You will take a reasonable care to prevent unauthorized disclosure of access to any Target property or information by others in your home worksite. So that's just keeping your home workspace private and away from others so that, no one can see anything going on with your role. You must log off or lock your Target issue computer when you are away from your workspace. So if you do get up, that means that workspace needs to be locked so that no one in your home or anything can happen while you are away. You need to have Target issue equipment that can only be used for Target business purposes, and printing and storing for other information is not allowed. You must keep your workspace free from any personal cell phones, tablets, or other such devices. You must maintain Target's dress code expectations while working from home. You must maintain only one designated work location. You must use the surge protector that will be provided with your Target issue equipment. You will not be reimbursed for any home office costs, such as internet, office supplies, or desk furniture. You are expected to follow Target's rules within the workplace and the document when setting up your workspace to ensure a safe work environment. You should have a working smoke detector in or near your workspace. You should have a first aid kit and accessible, near your workspace. You will be expected to set up all issued Target equipment in your own home workspace. And then you also will be expected to disassemble and return all of Target issued equipment as directed by the leader upon request or upon ending your role. So simply by submitting your application, you do acknowledge that everything that was listed above for the requirements, that you do possess those before applying. So if you're interested in working as the Senior Specialist Red Card Guest Contact for Target that pays $18 per hour in the comfort of your home, all you would do is click the link that's going to be below this video that will take you directly here. You will scroll down to the bottom and you will click on the Apply Now, put in your credentials, your information, and finish your application and submit it in order to be considered. Alright, so there you have it. That is right now Target hiring for work from home positions for your Senior Specialist Red Card Guest Contact role. So if you are interested, like I mentioned before, you simply click that link that's going to be below this video and go straight to it. Click on that Apply Now red button and put in your application. For this role, you'll be adding value to each customer's guest experience in order to drive guest loyalty and to increase sales. Now, if you're looking to make money online or create passive income, then you may want to check out exactly what it is that I do to have my own online business and have multiple streams of income. So to check out exactly what it is that I do to be able to work at home and be a stay-at-home mom of 3 beautiful children, you want to click the link that's going to be below this video as well, and it will be under my #1 recommendation to make money online. Be sure to also hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.